In the last video, we discussed about the oxidation states of the elements. Now we are entering directly to the chemical properties. First, I will explain about the hydrides of 16th group elements. They are forming hydrides of the type EH2, where E indicates the 16th group elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. All the hydrides have angular shape with central atom possessing sp3 hybridized state, and the bond angle is decreasing from top to down. This is due to the increase in the size of the atom towards down. One more reason is there is decrease in electronegativity. So these are the reasons for decrease in bond angle from top to bottom. Volatility increases from water to hydrogen sulfide. Then the volatile nature is decreasing from hydrogen sulfide to hydrogen telluride. The reason for the less volatile nature of water is the association between water molecules due to strong hydrogen bonding between them. Next, about the acidic character of hydrides. Hydrides are weakly acidic, and this acidic nature increases towards down. This can be explained on the basis of increase in size of the atom. On coming down, size of the atom increases. As a result, the EH bond length increases. This results in a lower value of bond dissociation enthalpy. As a result, the bond breaking will be easier and the release of H plus ion becomes easier. So this is how acidity is increasing towards down. By the same reason, thermal stability of the hydrides decreases towards down, because the bond will become weak and the bond cleavage will be easier. Due to the acidic nature, these are able to act as reducing agents. Except water, all the hydrides formed by group 16 elements are acting as good reducing compounds, and their reducing property increases towards down. Sample questions. Question number 1. Which hydride has greater bond angle? Water, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenide and hydrogen telluride. Answer: water. Question number 2. Out of water and hydrogen sulfide, which one has higher bond angle and why? Answer: water molecule has higher bond angle than hydrogen sulfide molecule because oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. Therefore, bond electron pair of OH bond will be closer to oxygen and there will be more bond pair repulsion between bond pairs of two OH bonds. Question number 3. Write the order of thermal stability of hydrides of group 16 elements. Answer: water greater than hydrogen sulfide greater than hydrogen selenide greater than hydrogen telluride greater than hydrogen polonide. Fourth question. Why water is a liquid and hydrogen sulfide a gas? Answer: water molecules are able to form intermolecular hydrogen bonds so that they are associated and exist as liquid because oxygen atom has small size and high electronegativity. Hydrogen sulfide molecules do not form intermolecular hydrogen bonds due to large size and low electronegativity of sulfur. Question number 5. Justify the placement of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium in the same group of the periodic table in terms of electronic configuration, oxidation state and hydride formation. Answer. These elements are having general outer electronic configuration of Ns2 Np4 and a common oxidation state of -2, and they are forming hydrides of the type EH2. So they are accommodated in same group of the periodic table. Question number 6. Hydrogen sulfide is more acidic than water. Give reason. Answer. Due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy and increase in bond length down the group, acidic character decreases. Thus, hydrogen sulfide is more acidic than water. Question number 7. In phosphorus hydride and hydrogen sulfide, which is more acidic and why? Answer. Sulfur is more electronegative than phosphorus. So, sulfur hydrogen bond is more polar than phosphorus hydrogen bond, resulting in easier removal of H+ ion. Question number 8. Thermal stability decreases from water to hydrogen telluride. Give reason. Answer. Thermal stability decreases from water to hydrogen telluride due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy down the group.